Meaning. Breath refers to the air taken in or out of the lungs. Breathe means the act of inhaling and exhaling air. In a sentence. After running up the hill, he paused to catch his breath. Here, breath refers to the air he's taking in. Remember to breathe deeply during the meditation session. Here, breathe refers to the act of inhaling and exhaling. Use breath as a noun, the air itself, and breathe as a verb, the action of taking air in.
Meaning. Cite means to refer to or quote a source of information. Cite refers to a location or place, either physical or virtual. In a sentence, remember to cite your sources in the research paper. Here, cite means to reference information. The construction site was bustling with workers and machinery. Here, cite refers to a physical location. Quick tip. Use cite for quoting or referencing, and cite for a place or location. Now it's your turn. Can you create examples for cite and cite? Share them in the comments below.
Hear means to perceive sound with your ears. Hear refers to a place or location, indicating where something is or happens. In a sentence. I can't hear you clearly because of the noise. Hear refers to perceiving sound. Please come here and take a look at this beautiful view. Hear refers to a specific location. Quick tip. Use hear for perceiving sound and hear for a location. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.